Hello, hello and welcome. Welcome to the Skills Transfer Program. Welcome to the Skills Transfer Program. As usual, we are going to be taking on any questions that you might have on any part of the Skills Transfer Program, and especially the Techpreneur Gateway, where we are learning some magic of the tools that we use to be able to take our business online. So today I'm just going to be talking more about the Techpreneur Gateway and everything that it offers, so that if you forgot about it, then you don't forget. This will be like a reminder. And I'll be waiting for some questions. You can type out your questions in the comment box, and we are going to address them. If you have any questions, as usual, Mondays, Mentorship Mondays are here to get you unstuck from wherever you might be stuck in. No matter which part of the journey you are in the Techpreneur Gateway course, which is a course for the new techpreneurs. This exclusive course uses a new approach that is called the Do As I Do. This is a new learning approach that is very, very much duplicatable. That means that if you do what the trainer does, at the end of the course, you will have exactly what the trainer has, or even much, much more better. So what's included in this online course? When you need to start and grow your business from A to Z, here lies an expert guide, starting from module 1, how to start a business in Kenya. You're going to learn the crucial steps and legal requirements for launching a business in Kenya. Very, very, very important to have valid registration if you're going to be conducting business within the country. And that brings also about the compliance issues. We have partnered with people who can help you out with all that. So that's a good thing to know, that we are going to start from registering a business in Kenya. Then once that name is registered, we are going again to take that name to the branding side of things. Because when you have a name, the next thing you need to have is a face. Okay? So this new baby, let's just call it like a lifetime of a baby, because this is growing a new business from inception all the way to scaling up, which will be like the maturity. So from the branding, in this module, we are going to emphasize the importance of branding in establishing a strong online presence. So everything to talk about the logo, the colors, the bylines, the taglines, the branding on the color schemes, the branding across, how to stay consistent across all the social media, website. It is very, very important. Business cards. You have to brand that business that you just registered in such a way that anybody can identify it from wherever they are. And we are going to move straight over to the module number 3, which is all about building your digital footprint. And so now that the baby has got a face, a name, some colors, they're shining, they're popping. So we start to build what we call a digital footprint. And so why do we call it a footprint? Is because this will be your first baby steps coming to the world of online. And in this module, we focus more on the web design fundamentals and the significance for your online presence. So from that name that you got, and you got a face for it, we are going to use that same name to buy something that is called a domain. A domain is the name that is used to reference files in the World Wide Web where you've stored all your data. So all your images, your text, your videos, wherever you store them, that is called a server. That's a special kind of storage that, stores things over the internet, which is called, in one word, hosting. So the domain name that we are going to purchase, it will be in line with the one that you registered and created a brand for. So why are we doing this? Is now to take our first step towards entering the world of online and the internet and the World Wide Web. So once you secure your domain, you have secured your space. It is your first shoe. It is your first car. It is your first office. It is your first thing that you need to do. And we really emphasize that you do not skip this step. Purchase a domain. Purchase a domain at whatever cost. Purchase a domain is one of the cheapest things, actually. I know for sure that you can get domain and hosting if you're living in Kenya under 5,000 a year. That's less than $40. A whole year, you get your domain and hosting. And once you get your domain and hosting, we introduce to something that is called a content management system. Remember, the domain and hosting, you've just bought some space where you can store your files for this new baby that you've registered. And now once you get the domain, you have gotten the address where now people can find your content. So to put those content in there, we use a content management system. It is very, very easy, very straightforward for anybody who has interest. If you know how to write, if you know how to log in onto Facebook, you can design a website. I mean, that's the only qualification I tell people you have to have. If you have ever used any social media successfully, you went, created an account, logged in, put a post up, put some text, put an image, and you clicked post. That's it. Using the WordPress content management system, building a website have been reduced to as low as that. It's just putting up your text, attaching an image, and hitting publish. And right there, you have already started contributing to the World Wide Web. So your digital footprint will start growing. So once you publish your first page, your second page, your third page, your fourth page, now when people search on the internet or they come to your domain, they're going to find those things that you have established. Remember, we started from nowhere. This was an idea in the head. So right now, look at us where we are at. From module 3, we are able to create something. We are able to create something and contribute, make a contribution in the most amazing fourth industrial revolution, which is the information age. So put some info out there for people to find about your business. And then we move over to the next stage. We level up a little bit. E-commerce is one of the biggest things that has happened, especially even after COVID, as recent as after COVID-19. So this is 2019 and above. The last 5 years, there has been tremendous growth, worth billions of shillings exchanged via the e-commerce. I mean, just think about it. The richest guys on top there, the likes of Jeff Bezos, they are in e-commerce inside, deep. The richest man in China, Jack Ma, is on e-commerce deep. So there's a lot of value that is being exchanged over the e-commerce. And we introduce you to platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify, and we introduce also the concept of dropshipping, because not all the time you have to have the actual product or you'll be the producer. You can sell other people's items through your website via WooCommerce as a drop shipper. So once you understand those, now you have a website that can actually sell. You are set for the online business. You are set for the online business. Please remember, forget about all those myths that you hear about internet business. I don't know, click here, do this, do that. It is work that you need to do to get paid, or some products that you need to deliver to get paid. So it is real business. It's not, get rich quick. It is real work that needs to be done. So because of that work that needs to be done, we move over to another new module that is called the SEO, right? Search engine optimization. So here you'll understand the significance of an online listings, directories, and best practices for increasing your website visibility, including writing very helpful content, writing content that is valuable, writing content that is rich in keywords, and that way you will start getting discovered organically, right? So organically, your website, your WooCommerce store will start to be found, which takes a little bit of time. And that's why now we move over next again to another module that is called a paid digital marketing. So your business, the one that you registered and made a brand for and created a website that can sell, and you optimized it for the engine, now it's mature enough to get into social media. Social media are the internet streets. They're the streets, literally. That's where you find most people. A lot of people are on social media. So in this module, we look on how to use the power of social media advertising. So we are now coming as advertisers through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Google, right? Google search, Google display, YouTube videos. Now we have the opportunity to start paying to be in front of the people that matter the most to us. And right there, your business now has been taken from idea level to being in front of the most potential people that can purchase your items. This course goes further, that we are going to look at also something that is called the gig economy. We understand that entrepreneurship is not for everyone, that they can have a business idea and manage and take it off the ground. So that's why we take the time in Module 7 to discuss the popular gig platforms and emerging trends, helping you to identify niches which within the gig economy to explore remote work contracting. I personally am a remote work contractor. I get paid for by people to manage their staff. And the stuff that we are talking about is, take a good guess, exactly what we've been covering, from branding, website, e-commerce, SEO, paid media, advertising. So all those modules that you learned previously, 5 of them, they are what we call a high value skills. And with these values, if you go to the gig economy, there are people who are willing to compensate you even hourly and handsomely, at that matter, to manage their businesses or to do what you do best. And so by the time you're done with the Techpreneur Gateway, you will have not only built an online business that you own, that which is yours, but you will also have the skills that you can support other people do exactly what you have done. And to top up even better is that you will have something that you can show that you have done yourself. So this is really, really practical. If you're not looking for something that you will get your hands on, and if you're looking for, those opportunities about making money that you don't have to do anything, then the Techpreneur Gateway is not for you, because here we only advocate that we are going to get paid because of work that we have done. So once we introduce you to the gig economy, using the skills that you've learned, this is an opportunity that you can start earning almost immediately. Yes, you had that right. By the time you're reaching to module 7, you should be starting to earn. You're ready to earn. So that we say it's a learn, work, earn. So as you are learning, you are working, because you are building websites, you are building brands, you are building search engine optimizations, you are building paid digital marketing. And so you have to see some of the conversions that come from that. Even then, if not conversions from your business, then these skills that you have acquired, you're going to sell them to other people who need them, and they're going to pay you dearly. And that's a very, very, very nice thing to have, because now it gives you all the freedom that comes with remote jobs, like location freedom. You can work from anywhere. Time freedom, you can work at any time. Clients, jobs freedoms, you can choose which clients you want to work with and which ones you don't. And all those freedoms that come with it. Earning, including earnings in foreign currency that is much more stronger than your local currency, giving you an edge over all your peers. So very, very important once we do that. And there is a bonus in module number 8 that is called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing here really is when now you can start selling other people's wares for a commission. So what happens with the affiliate marketing, what we introduced you to the affiliate marketing as a stepping stone into the online business world. So affiliate marketing in this case becomes a stepping stone, because what you're trying to say is that you do not have to be an innovator. There are many, 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 many things that have already been innovated before. And if you can identify with some, you can start making money as an affiliate marketer for those products. So affiliate marketing is a very, very good bonus that you will have to get into that. And finally, something that is not listed, and I'm going to communicate to the team to list it up, is, take a good guess, what is the most hottest thing in the market right now? Yes, if you guessed AI, you are right. Artificial intelligence is one of the areas that is going to change. In fact, it has already changed the game drastically. So people who do not adapt AI, they will be left behind by people who will adapt AI. So which side do you want to be on? So if you want to be on the side that adapts AI, I personally am an early adapter. I'm learning a lot about AI, artificial intelligence. I have joined the CS50 AI class by Harvard, and I am researching every single day and also interacting with these new AIs. So I'll be talking about AI a lot of the times. And this is something that I also want to introduce and give it to you as part of the Techpreneur Gateway, so that you can start taking advantage of the early birds, which, you know, what the saying says about early birds. So when you're an early bird in any field, you get prepared to face on head on some of the challenges that come, but also you develop the thick skin that is needed to shine your way around. So artificial intelligence is the another bonus that you're going to get from this type. And just allow me to share my screen real quick. If you don't know what we are talking about in this, we are talking about the Techpreneur Gateway, which is found on the www.techpreneur, www.skills, yes, is the skills transfer program, www.skills.workmate.club, and then you have to go in and find the Techpreneur Gateway. In this Techpreneur Gateway, you're going to find all the things that I've covered that are discussed in this. And this really is your A to Z, building your online business. So if you have been wondering on how people make money online and you can't seem to figure your head around everything you're trying is failing, I want to dare you to try this plan for the next 100 days, and you tell me where you will be in less than 3 months. I mean, 100 days is just slightly above 3 months. So the next 3 months, I challenge you, come on board the Techpreneur Gateway. Let's learn together from A to Z on how to start, build, and grow your online business with an expert guide. The approach is very hands-on, skill-based. This is do as I do. So as the trainer is doing, you are also expected to be doing the same. And now we have uploaded all the content that is needed for you to be able to go step by step as you build your online business. So head on over to the skills.workmate.club, find Techpreneur Gateway, and start learning today. Besides, we always have these live Monday calls to unstuck you wherever you're stuck. So thank you so much for, even considering to look at it, because this is what is going to change the whole game, the whole ecosystem of online. From experts who are actively earning through online, we're going to share with you the industry insights, tips, everything that you need to succeed. So head over to skills.workmate.club if you have not yet done it. And we are calling it the Online Business Course Blueprint, because it is exactly that. I've explained in detail what you are going to expect. And this is one of the things that will really, really make a difference. I mean, because I can't see the questions coming in, why don't we try to look at some of the things that are going to be covered? So I said you just come to skills.workmate.club, skills.workmate.club, find the Techpreneur Gateway, Once you find the Techpreneur Gateway, you're going to see exactly what you're going to get inside of the Techpreneur Gateway. So things including things like, what you will learn, how to start a business in Kenya. That includes business name registration process, how to build your business, how to brand your business, how to use Canva as a complete beginner. You're going to go to the digital footprint where you have the domain names, creating a database and user interface, WordPress dashboard and how to customize the CMS, WordPress front-end editing, how to embed videos on WordPress, how to make a WordPress website complete for beginners. So a lot of valuable content. These are skills that you can start selling immediately once you finish with the digital footprint. If we move on to the WooCommerce, creating an online shop with WooCommerce, starting a drop shipping from scratch, Shopify beginners, for beginners. Americans really love Shopify. I had to find out why, and up to till date, I'm still managing a Shopify account for somebody, and they are paying me every week. So we are talking about concepts that have been tested and tried. When you come on to the SEO, you find that we have the on-page listings, sitemap submission, a rank math tutorial, a plugin that can help you do the site optimization well, another SEO tutorial for Yoast. When you come to the paid digital marketing, this is now again a very important topic, which is worth much more even than the whole entire course, the way it is priced. I tell you, the Meta Business Suite, the Meta Business Suite, how it combines Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp business. You start to check how to build an online business with Facebook, how to create the Facebook pages, how to establish a following, how to connect with customers, how to use WhatsApp for business, how to connect with customers on Instagram, how to build an online presence with Instagram, how to target the right audience. This is very important. I mean, these are very important topics that are being covered right here, the Techpreneur Gateway. So if you've not yet started, make sure that you start. And if you've not yet finished, wherever you are, I encourage you to continue working on this. This is something that you are going to retain for the rest of your life. This is value that you will nobody will ever take away from you. So just take your time. We took our time to put this together. We know it is useful, and we know it is going to impact your life. So do it like you mean it. Tell your friends to tell your friends. And this Techpreneur Gateway, we hope that it is going to transform people's lives, because it is meant to do exactly that. So how to start and grow your online business? Right here. The Techpreneur Gateway puts you on the driver's seat. So go ahead, make sure that you sign up for the Techpreneur Gateway, and let's meet on the other side. Thank you so much for taking the time to attend the call. I could not see any questions either from the comments or the email or inbox. And so today, I'm just challenging you again to go back and relook at the Techpreneur Gateway and realize the gold mine that it is, and start polishing your skills. Thank you so much. Let's meet again Monday, same time. If you have questions, find us on WhatsApp, find us on Facebook at My Workmate, find us everywhere. Email us info@workmate.club, help@workmate.club. Come to their website, skills.workmate.club. Make sure that you interact with our website, social medias, or YouTube channel. Share it. This content might help somebody else that might really find it helpful. So this is, again, beginner friendly. So anyone who wants to start an online business, then this is the gateway that they need to consider. Thank you so much. And until next time, I'm going to see you then.